Warming up. Chit chat. 1. I can talk about the world. Form groups of 6 to 8 students. Each group should select any one continent and share the following information about each. 1. Important cities. 2. Sightseeing places of tourist interest. 3. Food specialty cuisine. 4. Wildlife. 5. Different types of region and vegetation. 6. Human life. Now each group representative from the previously formed groups should narrate the information to the class using proper attractive sentences. Answer. South America. 1. Important cities. Sao Paulo, Lima, Bogota, Rio de Janeiro, Buenos Aires, Brasilia. 2. Sightseeing places of tourist interest. Machu Picchu, the Amazon rainforest, the Lake District, Mendoza, Cartagena, Galapagos Islands. 3. Food specialty cuisine. Ceviche, arepas, empanadas, pisco sour, yerba mate, pastel, chorizo. 4. Wildlife. Andean condor, piranha, capybara, southern right whale, anaconda, giant tortoise, etc. 5. Various regions of vegetation. Tropical rainforest, Amazon river basin, Patagonia, and Atacama Desert. 6. Human life. The population is indigenous. Fishing, trading, and farming are their main occupations. 2. Prepare a travel brochure or leaflet of your native place or any town, historical place, hill station to attract tourists using the points given below. Answer. Nearest railway station Aurangabad, nearest airport Aurangabad, nearest bus stand Aurangabad. Top 5 spots to visit. 1. Devgiri Fort. 2. Ajanta Ellora Caves. 3. Grishneshwar Temple. 4. Bibi Ka Maqbara. 5. Bhadra Maruti. Special features of this place. 1. First Yadava Fort. 2. Buddhist and Jain rock sculptures. 3. One of the 12 Jyotirlingas. 4. Replica of the Taj Mahal. 5. Sleeping statue of Hanuman. Have fun. Entertainment. 1. Enjoy the ancient rock sculpture. 2. Visit the historical sites. 3. Religious visit. 4. Archaeological structures. Mouth-watering special cuisine. 1. Special hurda party, winter months only. 2. Zunka bhakri, thecha, that's garlic plus chili. 3. All Indian food available. Other nearby sightseeing spots. 1. Jayakwadi Dam. 2. Paithan Nath Mandir. 3. Shirdi Sai Baba Mandir. 4. Bird Sanctuary. 5. Sant Jnaneshwar Garden.
Four point 3. World Heritage. A World Heritage Site is a site determined by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO, to have significant cultural or natural importance to humanity. Heritage means that which is valued because of historical or natural or cultural importance.
वारसा
Determined means insisted.
म्हणजे निश्चयी. जगातील सांस्कृतिक परंपरा असलेली स्थळे ही अशी ठिकाणे आहेत ज्या स्थळांना संयुक्त राष्ट्र शैक्षणिक, वैज्ञानिक आणि सांस्कृतिक संघटना म्हणजेच युनेस्को निश्चित करते. त्यांचे मानवतेसाठी सांस्कृतिक किंवा प्राकृतिक असे लक्षणीय महत्त्व आहे.
As such, the sites are protected and maintained by the International World Heritage Program, which is administered by the UNESCO World Heritage Committee. Because World Heritage sites are places that are significant culturally and naturally, they vary in type but include forests, lakes, monuments, buildings, and cities. Administered means managed.
म्हणजे प्रशासित. अशा स्थळांचे संरक्षण आणि त्यांना सुस्थितीत ठेवण्याचे कार्य जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा व्यवस्थापनाद्वारे केले जाते, ज्याची व्यवस्था युनेस्कोच्या जागतिक वारसा समितीद्वारे पाहिली जाते. कारण जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा या अशा जागा आहेत ज्यांना सांस्कृतिक आणि प्राकृतिक वैशिष्ट्ये आहेत. त्यांचे प्रकार वेगवेगळे आहेत, ज्यामध्ये जंगले, तलाव, स्मारके, इमारती आणि शहरांचा समावेश आहे.
World Heritage Sites can also be a combination of both cultural and natural areas. For example, Mount Huangshan in China is a site with significance to human culture because it played a role in historical Chinese art and literature. The mountain is also significant because of its physical landscape characteristics. Landscape means scenery.
म्हणजे एकाच दृष्टिक्षेपात दिसणारे निसर्ग दृश्य.
Characteristics means distinguishing features or qualities.
म्हणजे वैशिष्ट्य. जगातील सांस्कृतिक वारसा असलेल्या जागा या सांस्कृतिक आणि नैसर्गिक क्षेत्रांचे मिश्रण असू शकते. उदाहरणार्थ, चीनमधील ह्युंगशांग पर्वत याला मानवी संस्कृतीसाठी विशेष महत्त्व आहे, कारण या पर्वताने चीनमधील ऐतिहासिक कला आणि साहित्यासाठीची एक भूमिका बजावली आहे. नैसर्गिक रमणीय भूप्रदेशाच्या वैशिष्ट्यांमुळे पर्वत लक्षणीय बनला आहे.
History of World Heritage Sites. Although the idea of protecting cultural and natural heritage sites around the world began in the early 20th century, momentum for its actual creation was not until the 1950s. In 1954, Egypt started plans to build the Aswan High Dam to collect and control water from the Nile River. Momentum, it actually took speed.
जागतिक सांस्कृतिक स्थळांचा इतिहास. जरी 20व्या शतकाच्या सुरुवातीला जगभरातील सांस्कृतिक आणि नैसर्गिक वारसा स्थानांचे संरक्षण करण्याची कल्पना आली, तरी त्याची प्रत्यक्ष निर्मिती 1950च्या सुरुवातीपर्यंत अस्तित्वात आली नाही. 1954 मध्ये इजिप्तने नाईल नदीतून पाणी गोळा करणे आणि त्याचे नियंत्रण करण्यासाठी असवान हाय धरण बांधण्याची योजना सुरू केली.
The initial plan for the dam's construction would have flooded the valley containing the Abu Simbel temples and scores of ancient Egyptian artifacts. Scores of means plenty of or many of.
विपुल प्रमाणात.
Artifacts means any objects made by a human being.
कोणतीही मानव निर्मित वस्तू, सर्वसाधारणपणे ऐतिहासिक किंवा सांस्कृतिक स्वरूपाची. धरणाच्या बांधकामाच्या सुरुवातीला योजनेमुळे 2 पर्वतातील सखल भागातील अबू सिम्बेल मंदिरे आणि पुरातन प्राचीन मिस्रच्या इजिप्शियन कलाकृती पाण्याने व्यापून जाण्याची शक्यता होती.
To protect the temples and artifacts, UNESCO launched an international campaign in 1959 that called for the dismantling and movement of the temples to higher ground. Campaign means an operation.
म्हणजे मोहीम.
Dismantling means disassembling or pulling down.
विखुरणे, भाग वेगवेगळे करणे. मंदिरांचे आणि पुरातन प्राचीन कलाकृतींचे संरक्षण करण्यासाठी 1959 मध्ये युनेस्कोने आंतरराष्ट्रीय मोहिमेची स्थापना केली, ज्यामुळे मंदिरांना वेगळे करून उंच भूपृष्ठावर हलवण्यात आले.
The project cost an estimated $80 million, $40 million of which came from 50 different countries. Because of the project's success, UNESCO and the International Council of Monuments and Sites initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. Initiated means began, started.
सुरुवात करणे, आरंभ करणे. या प्रकल्पासाठी 8 कोटी अमेरिकन डॉलर्स इतका खर्च आला. त्यातील 4 कोटी अमेरिकन डॉलर्स हे 50 विविध देशांमधून आले होते. या प्रकल्पाच्या यशामुळे कलाकृती आणि स्थळांसाठी युनेस्को आणि आंतरराष्ट्रीय परिषदेने सांस्कृतिक वारसा संरक्षणासाठी जबाबदार असणाऱ्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय संघटना तयार करण्यासाठी मसुदा अधिवेशन सुरू केले.
Shortly thereafter, in 1965, a White House conference in the United States called for a World Heritage Trust to protect historic cultural sites, but to also protect the world's significant natural and scenic sites.
त्यानंतर 1965 मध्ये अमेरिकेतील व्हाईट हाऊस परिषदेने ऐतिहासिक, सांस्कृतिक तसेच विशिष्ट नैसर्गिक आणि निसर्गरम्य स्थळांना संरक्षण देण्यासाठी जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा ट्रस्टला बोलवले.
Finally, in 1968, the International Union for Conservation of Nature developed similar goals and presented them at the United Nations Conference on Human Environment in Stockholm, Sweden in 1972. Following the presentation of these goals, the Convention concerning the protection of world cultural and natural heritage was adopted by UNESCO's General Conference on November 16, 1972. Convention means some rules.
म्हणजे प्रचार, परंपरा.
Concerning means relating.
म्हणजे संबंधी, विषयी. अखेरीस 1968 मध्ये आंतरराष्ट्रीय निसर्ग संवर्धन संघटनेने इंटरनॅशनल युनियन फॉर कन्झर्वेशन ऑफ नेचर तसेच मिळती जुळती उद्दिष्टे विकसित केली आणि 1972 साली स्टॉकहोम, स्वीडनमधील मानवी पर्यावरण विषयक संयुक्त राष्ट्रसंघाच्या परिषदेत त्यांना सादर केले. या उद्दिष्टांच्या सादरीकरणाचे अनुसरण जागतिक सांस्कृतिक आणि नैसर्गिक वारसा संरक्षणासंदर्भात झालेल्या अधिवेशनास 16 नोव्हेंबर 1972 रोजी युनेस्कोच्या जनरल कॉन्फरन्सने स्वीकारले.
The World Heritage Committee. Today, the World Heritage Committee is the main group responsible for establishing which sites will be listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Establishing means set up.
म्हणजे स्थापन करणे. जागतिक वारसा संस्कृती परिषद, वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज कमिटी. आज जागतिक वारसा संस्कृती परिषद हा मुख्य समूह आहे जो युनेस्कोच्या जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा असणाऱ्या स्थळांच्या यादीत कोणते स्थळ असेल याला जबाबदार असतो.
The committee meets once a year and consists of representatives from 21 state parties that are elected for 6-year terms by the World Heritage Center's General Assembly. The state parties are then responsible for identifying and nominating new sites within their territory to be considered for inclusion on the World Heritage List. Nominating means suggesting.
म्हणजे नेमणूक करणे.
Territory means region.
म्हणजे मुलुक, प्रांत. ही समिती वर्षातून एकदा भेटते आणि जागतिक वारसा केंद्राच्या महासभेद्वारे 6 वर्षांच्या मुदतीसाठी निवडलेल्या 21 राज्यातील पक्षांचे प्रतिनिधी असतात. जागतिक वारसा यादीत समावेश करण्यासाठी राज्यातील पक्ष त्यांच्या क्षेत्रातील नवीन स्थळांची ओळख पटविणे आणि नामनिर्देशन करण्यासाठी जबाबदार असतात.
Becoming a World Heritage Site. There are 5 steps in becoming a World Heritage Site. The first of which is for a country or state party to take an inventory of its significant cultural and natural sites.
जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा बनवण्यासाठी 5 पायऱ्या आहेत, ज्यापैकी पहिल्या पायरीमध्ये देश किंवा राज्याच्या पक्षाने आपल्या महत्त्वाच्या सांस्कृतिक आणि नैसर्गिक ठिकाणांची सूची घेणे आहे.
This is called the tentative list And it is important because nominations to the World Heritage List will not be considered unless the nominated site was first included on the tentative list.
याला तात्पुरती यादी असे म्हणतात आणि ती महत्वाची आहे, कारण जोपर्यंत नामनिर्देशित स्थळांचा तात्पुरत्या यादीत प्रथम समावेश झालेला नसेल तोपर्यंत जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा सूचीत नामांकनांचा विचार केला जाणार नाही.
Next, countries are then able to select sites from their tentative lists to be included on a nomination file. The third step is a review of the nomination file by two advisory bodies consisting of the International Council on Monuments and Sites and the World Conservation Union, who then make recommendations to the World Heritage Committee. Advisory means consulting.
म्हणजे सल्लागार.
Recommendations means suggestions or proposals.
शिफारसी. नंतर तात्पुरत्या सूचीमधून नामनिर्देशन फाईलमध्ये समावेश करण्यासाठी स्थळांची निवड करण्यास ते देश पात्र आहेत. तिसरी पायरी म्हणजे 2 सल्लागार संस्था, ज्यात स्मारक आणि स्थळांसाठी असलेली आंतरराष्ट्रीय समिती व जागतिक संवर्धन संघटना नामनिर्देशन फाईलचे पुनरावलोकन करतील, जे नंतर जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा समितीला शिफारस करतील.
The World Heritage Committee meets once a year to review these recommendations and decide which sites will be added to the World Heritage List. The final step in becoming a World Heritage Site is determining whether or not a nominated site meets at least one of 10 selection criteria. If the site meets these criteria, it can then be inscribed on the World Heritage List. Criteria means fixed basis to judge.
निकष.
Inscribed means to print, to write, or to engrave.
म्हणजे समावेश करणे, नमूद करणे. जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा समिती या शिफारशींचे पुनरावलोकन करण्यासाठी वर्षातून एकदा भेटते आणि जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा सूचीत कोणती स्थळे सामील केली जातील हे ठरवतात. जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा स्थळांना निश्चित करण्याची शेवटची पायरी हे ठरवते की नामनिर्देशित स्थळे किमान 10 निवड निकषांपैकी एका निकषाला पूर्ण करतात किंवा नाही. जर ते स्थळ सर्व मापदंड पूर्ण करत असेल तर ते स्थळ जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा सूचीवर अंतर्लेखित केले जाईल.
Once a site goes through this process and is chosen, it remains the property of the country on whose territory it sits, but it also becomes considered within the international community. Territory means region.
म्हणजे मुलुक, प्रांत. एकदा हे स्थळ या प्रक्रियेमधून गेल्यावर आणि त्या स्थळाची निवड झाल्यावर ज्या देशाची ती मालमत्ता आहे त्याच क्षेत्राची ती मालमत्ता राहते, परंतु ते आंतरराष्ट्रीय समुदायामध्ये सुद्धा समाविष्ट असल्याचे मानले जाते.
Types of World Heritage Sites. As of 2009, there are 890 World Heritage Sites that are located in 148 countries. See the map. 689 of these sites are cultural and include places like the Sydney Opera House in Australia and the Historic Centre of Vienna in Austria. 176 are natural and feature such locations as the US's Yellowstone and Grand Canyon National Parks.
जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा स्थळांचे प्रकार. 2009 पर्यंत 890 जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा स्थळे आहेत, जी 148 देशांमध्ये आहेत. यापैकी 689 स्थळे सांस्कृतिक आहेत आणि त्यामध्ये ऑस्ट्रेलियातील सिडनी ऑपेरा हाऊस व ऑस्ट्रियामधील व्हिएन्ना येथील ऐतिहासिक केंद्र यांचा समावेश आहे. 176 नैसर्गिक स्थळे आहेत, ज्यामध्ये अमेरिकेतील येलोस्टोन, आणि ग्रँड कॅन्यन राष्ट्रीय उद्यान या वैशिष्ट्यपूर्ण ठिकाणांचा समावेश आहे.
25 of the World Heritage Sites are considered mixed, that is, natural and cultural. Peru's Machu Picchu is one of these. Italy has the highest number of World Heritage Sites with 44. India has 36, 28 cultural, 7 natural, and 1 mixed World Heritage Sites.
25 जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा स्थळे ही संमिश्र म्हणजेच नैसर्गिक आणि सांस्कृतिक समजली जातात. त्यात पेरू येथील माचू पिचू हे त्यापैकी एक आहे. इटलीमध्ये सर्वाधिक म्हणजेच एकूण 44 जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा स्थळे आहेत. भारतामध्ये 36, 28 सांस्कृतिक, 7 नैसर्गिक आणि 1 संमिश्र जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा स्थळे आहेत.
The World Heritage Committee has divided the world's countries into 5 geographic zones, which include 1. Africa, 2. Arab states, 3. Asia Pacific, including Australia and Oceania, 4. Europe and North America, and 5. Latin America and Caribbean.
जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा समितीने जगातील 5 देशांना 5 भौगोलिक क्षेत्रांमध्ये विभागले आहे, ज्यात 1 आफ्रिका, 2 अरब राज्ये, 3 एशिया पॅसिफिक, ऑस्ट्रेलिया आणि ओशनियासह, 4 युरोप आणि उत्तर अमेरिका आणि 5 लॅटिन अमेरिका आणि कॅरेबियन.
World Heritage Sites in danger. Like many natural and historic cultural sites around the world, many World Heritage Sites are in danger of being destroyed or lost due to war, poaching, natural disasters like earthquakes, uncontrolled urbanization, heavy tourist traffic, and environmental factors like air pollution and acid rain. Poaching means hunt illegally.
म्हणजे अतिक्रमण, बेकायदेशीर कब्जा करणे.
Urbanization means to include more areas in cities or expand city areas.
शहरीकरण. जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा स्थळे धोक्यात. अनेक नैसर्गिक आणि ऐतिहासिक सांस्कृतिक स्थळांप्रमाणेच अनेक जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा असलेली ठिकाणे युद्ध, शिकार, भूकंपासारख्या नैसर्गिक आपत्ती, अनियंत्रित शहरीकरण, पर्यटकांची मोठ्या प्रमाणात ये-जा आणि ऍसिडचा पडणारा पाऊस व हवेमुळे होणारे प्रदूषण यासारखे पर्यावरणीय घटकांमुळे उद्ध्वस्त होण्याचा किंवा नष्ट होण्याचा धोका आहे.
World Heritage Sites that are in danger are inscribed on a separate list of World Heritage Sites in danger, which allows the World Heritage Committee to allocate resources from the World Heritage Fund to that site. Allocate means assign.
राखून ठेवणे. जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा असलेली जी स्थळे धोक्यात आहेत त्या स्थळांना वेगळ्या यादीत समाविष्ट केले आहे. त्यामुळे जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा समितीने जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा फंडातून त्या स्थळासाठी संसाधनांचे वाटप करण्यास परवानगी दिली आहे.
In addition, different plans are put into place to protect and or restore the site. If, however, a site loses the characteristics which allowed for it to be originally included in the World Heritage List, the World Heritage Committee can choose to delete the site from the list. To learn more about World Heritage Sites, visit the World Heritage Center's website at whc.unesco.org.
या व्यतिरिक्त स्थळांना संरक्षित किंवा पुनर्संचयित करण्यासाठी विविध योजना आखण्यात आल्या आहेत. तथापि एखाद्या सांस्कृतिक ठिकाणाने मूळ जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा हक्कांच्या यादीत असणारी वैशिष्ट्ये गमावली तर जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा समिती या सूचीमधून त्या स्थळाला कमी करू शकते. जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा स्थळांविषयी अधिक जाणून घेण्यासाठी जागतिक सांस्कृतिक वारसा केंद्राच्या whc.unesco.org या वेबसाईटला भेट द्या.
Factual question. 1. What significant aspects should a World Heritage Site have? Answer. A World Heritage Site should have significant aspects of cultural and natural importance to humanity. 2. What do World Heritage Sites include? Answer. World Heritage Sites include forests, lakes, monuments, buildings, and cities. 3. Why did UNESCO launch an international campaign in 1959? Answer. UNESCO started an international mission to save and preserve the ancient sites of natural and cultural importance. It is the need of the hour as it is a part of our heritage. 4. Why did a White House conference in the United States call for a World Heritage Trust? Answer. A White House conference in the United States called for a World Heritage Trust because they realized the significance to protect the historic, cultural, natural, and scenic sites. 5. What does the World Heritage Committee consist of? Answer. The World Heritage Committee consists of representatives from 21 state parties. 6. What is the World Heritage Committee responsible for? Answer. The World Heritage Committee is responsible for identifying and nominating new sites within their territory to be considered for inclusion on the World Heritage List. 7. When was the Convention concerning the protection of world cultural and natural heritage adopted and by whom? Answer. The Convention concerning the protection of world culture and natural heritage was adopted on November 16, 1972 by UNESCO's General Conference. 8. Who makes recommendations to the World Heritage Committee? Answer. 2 advisory bodies consist of the International Council on Monuments and Sites, and the World Conservation Union makes recommendations to the World Heritage Committee. 9. What is Peru's Machu Picchu example of? Answer. Peru's Machu Picchu is an example of both natural and cultural importance. English workshop. 1. Write the importance of the years given below with reference to the World Heritage Sites. Answer. Year 1959. Importance. UNESCO launched an international campaign. 1965. A White House conference in the United States called for a World Heritage Trust. 1968. The International Union for Conservation of Nature developed similar goals. 1972. The International Union for Conservation of Nature presented their work at the United Nations Conference. 2009. There are 890 World Heritage Sites. 2. Name the following. 1. The country where Mount Huangshan is situated. Answer. China. 2. The famous dam in Egypt on River Nile. Answer. Aswan High Dam. 3. The place where the conference based on human environment was held. Answer. Stockholm. 4. The country in which the highest number of World Heritage Sites is. Answer. Italy. 5. The body which can exclude a site from World Heritage List is. Answer. World Heritage Committee. 3. Complete the following sentences. 1. The World Heritage Site includes dash. Answer. Forests, lakes, monuments, buildings and cities. 2. There were around dash World Heritage Sites in the world. Answer. 890. 3. The role of World Heritage Committee is dash. Answer. To establish the sites which will be listed as UNESCO World Heritage Site. 4. The tenure of World Heritage Committee is dash. Answer. For 6 years. 5. We can get more information about World Heritage Sites from its dash. Answer: website at whc.unesco.org. 4. Complete the following web by giving reasons why the World Heritage Sites are in danger. Answer. 5. Answer in your own words. A. What are the duties towards the preservation of any historical site? Answer. Any historical site has its own features. It is a mute witness of the moments of history. People shouldn't harm the place. We observe that people write their names there. It is wrong. We should be proud of being a part of our glorious history and do everything in our power to preserve it. B. Why should we preserve the World Heritage Sites? Answer. We should preserve the World Heritage Sites as they are the only things that have witnessed our glorious history. They are mute witnesses of those moments. We should be proud of it. It's said that those who forget their history have no future. C. What is the role of World Heritage Sites to develop tourism in any country? Answer. World Heritage Sites are unique in nature. They have their own features culturally or naturally. All over the world, nations are vying with others to attract the tourists. Tourism creates nation occupations. People provide basic amenities like lodging, boarding, traveling, guiding through the site, etc. This way, any historical place can boost the economy of that place. 6. Read the following duties towards preservation of any historical site and make sentences about each of our duties. Obey rules and regulations. Maintain discipline and order. Maintain cleanliness. Use dustbins and garbage bags. Observe silence. Maintain environmental safety. Protect our country's history, heritage. 1. Obey rules and regulations. Answer. Visitors must obey the rules and regulations displayed at the entrance. 2. Maintain discipline and order. Answer. Visitors must maintain discipline and order. 3. Maintain cleanliness. Answer. Visitors must maintain cleanliness. 4. Use dustbins and garbage bags. Answer. Visitors must use dustbins and garbage bags. 5. Observe silence. Answer. Visitors must observe silence. 6. Maintain environmental safety. Answer. Visitors must maintain environmental safety. 7. Protect our country's history, heritage. Answer. Visitors must protect our country's history and heritage. 7. Complete the following flowchart by choosing the options given below to show how many sites of any country can become a World Heritage Site. Answer. Take an inventory. Inclusion of name from tentative list to nomination file. A review by 2 advisory bodies. Decision of the World Heritage Committee. Site is inscribed on the World Heritage List. 1. Inclusion of the name of a site from the tentative list to the nomination file. 2. Name of the site is inscribed on the World Heritage List after meeting the criteria. 3. Inclusion of the name of site for the nomination in a tentative list after an inventory in the country or the state. 4. Decision of the World Heritage Committee after review of the nominated file. 5. A review of the file included by the advisory bodies. 8. Match the pairs to define different roles of the World Heritage Sites. Column A, Column B. Answer. 1. Identify cultural and natural sites of outstanding universal value across countries. 2. Identify sites of tourism. 3. Identify sites that represent relevant development plan policies. 4. UNESCO seeks to preserve outstanding sites and natural resources. 5. World Heritage Sites should have special importance for everyone. 6. World Heritage Sites should protect these sites. 7. World Heritage Site serves as best examples of world's cultural and natural heritage. 8. World Heritage Site should ensure an asset for economic development and investment. 9. It should at large develop green, local-based, stable and decent jobs. Nine. Do you know the difference between 1. World Heritage, 2. Cultural Heritage? Refer to a dictionary or encyclopedia, reference books, website or Google search to get the detailed meaning. Answer 1. World Heritage. A World Heritage Site is a landmark or area which is selected by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization as having cultural, historical, scientific or other form of significance and is legally protected by international treaties. 2. Cultural Heritage. Cultural heritage is the legacy of physical artifacts and intangible attributes of a group of society that are inherited from past generations, maintained in the present, and bestowed for the benefit of future generations. 10. Following are the ways to preserve World Heritage Sites. Transfer these points into a small paragraph. Suggest a suitable title. Practical conservation of posterity, human-animal trespassing, unmonitored, uncontrolled, unrestricted access, threat of local administrative negligence. Answer. Care your heritage. World Heritage Sites are significant culturally and naturally. Every individual should take care of heritage sites. Some natural places like forests are in danger. They are trespassed by humans and animals. Forests are cut down. To deal with such problems, the authorities have to implement the rules properly. Such places should be protected. World Heritage Sites are in danger. The local authorities show negligence towards such sites. These sites are a legacy for us. Everybody should care for them. Mass awareness campaigns should be arranged to teach the people the role of our heritage in our life. This trick may work and people will protect the World Heritage Sites. 11. Find from the text minimum 8 words related to cultural heritage and make a word register. Arrange them in an alphabetical order. Answer. Word register, cultural heritage. 1. Monuments. 2. Buildings. 3. Cities. 4. Ancient. 5. Artifacts. 6. Protection. 7. Conservation. 8. Temples. Alphabetical order. 1. Ancient. 2. Artifacts. 3. Buildings. 4. Cities. 5. Conservation. 6. Monuments. 7. Protection. 8. Temples. 12. Look at the words and their meanings. Underline the correct alternative. 1. Determine. A. Think over. B. Decide. C. Ask for. D. Look over. 2. Monument. A. Statue. B. Pillar. C. Memorial building. D. For. 3. Significant. A. Clever. B. Effective. C. Systematic. D. Important. 4. Disaster. A. Problem. B. Incident. C. Calamity. D. Accident. Answer. 1. Determined. Meaning is decide. 2. Monument. Memorial. 3. Significant. Important. 4. Disaster. Calamity. 13. Rewrite the following sentences using not only but also and as well as in 2 separate sentences. 1. UNESCO and the International Council on Monuments initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. 2. The state parties are responsible for identifying and nominating new sites. 3. Opera House in Australia and the Historic Centre of Vienna in Austria are cultural sites of World Heritage. 4. World Heritage Sites can be a combination of both cultural and natural areas. 5. To protect the temples and artifacts, UNESCO launched an international campaign. Answer. Not only but also. 1. Not only UNESCO but also the International Council on Monuments initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. 2. The state parties are responsible for not only identifying but also nominating new sites. 3. Not only the Opera House in Australia, but also the historic centre of Vienna in Austria are cultural sites of the World Heritage. 4. World Heritage Sites can also be a combination of not only cultural but also natural areas. 5. The World Heritage Sites are not only protected but also maintained by the International World Heritage Programme, as well as 1. UNESCO as well as the International Council on Monuments initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. 2. The states parties are responsible for identifying as well as nominating new sites. 3. Opera House in Australia as well as the Historic Centre of Vienna in Austria are cultural sites of World Heritage. 4. World Heritage Sites can also be a combination of cultural as well as natural areas. 5. The World Heritage Sites are protected as well as maintained by the International World Heritage Programme. 14. Rewrite the following sentences, replacing as well as by no sooner than. Note, the phrase no sooner must always be followed by an auxiliary helping verb. For example, as soon as he came, they all gave an applause. No sooner did he come than all gave an applause. A. As soon as the bill is passed, it will become an act. B. As soon as the thief escaped, the family informed the police. C. As soon as you have finished, you can submit your answer papers. D. As soon as they can manage, they should change their house. E. As soon as the bell will ring, the school assembly will start. Answer 1. No sooner is the bill passed than it will become an act. 2. No sooner did the thief escape than the family informed the police. 3. No sooner have you finished than you can submit your answer paper. 4. No sooner can they manage than they should change their house. 5. No sooner will the bell ring than the school assembly will start. 15. Prepare a tourism leaflet on any one of the following. You may refer to the points given in warming up. A. Your hometown. B. A historical place. C. A place of natural beauty. D. A place of pilgrimage. Answer. A tourist leaflet. Fort Devgiri. Location. In Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. Distance 323 kilometers from Mumbai. Route Mumbai-Nashik Devgiri. Importance 1. Hill fort. 2. Impregnable. 3. Kingdom of the Yadava kings. What to see? 1. Great fortifications. 2. Bunkers. 3. Mendha Gun. 4. Charminar. 5. Bharat Mata Temple. Nearest railhead Aurangabad. Nearest airport Aurangabad. 16. Project. A. Make a list of sites from our state that are included in the World Heritage Sites. Try to visit one of them. Write the importance of that World Heritage Site. Also, write your impression of it in your notebook. Answer. There are 5 World Heritage Sites recognized by UNESCO. It is a matter of pride for Maharashtra that 2 out of first 4 Indian sites are from Maharashtra. The World Heritage Sites from our state are 1. Ajanta Caves, 2. Ellora Caves, 3. Elephanta Caves, 4. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, 5. The Western Ghats.